Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of gaming, and today we are going to do something different. It's a game called HappyWheels. Everyone in my family hates it but me, but you guys can be like, hey, I hate this. I hate this thing. I'll stop it. I'll do a different game. I'm going to be starting Black Ops and Halo Reach. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. And this is just like a random flash game. So once I become a partner, we'll start getting longer episodes on Fridays and Mondays and doing slow crap. This computer is good. Oh, I think it's because I'm uploading another video. So that thing gets uploaded. You guys will see it before this video, but I don't know. So, holy crap. Okay, sorry guys. That was intense. Okay, that was freaking weird. It's like, hey, I'm gonna blow out your eardrums and your subscribers' eardrums. Want that to happen? No, I don't. Okay, so this is just like a random game. Hopefully you guys like it. I got it from this one guy named AK Spartan Killer. I might put a link to him, to his YouTube account. And if you like him, just tell him, hey, you should watch this guy. And I'll be good. I don't... It'll be pretty fun, I guess, for you guys to see him. I think most of you guys will enjoy him. He's pretty funny. And also, I might put a link to another YouTube channel. And his name is called Sly Foxhound. Most of you probably know him. If you don't, be sure to check out his channel. And see, you can like blow up into bloody pieces. But I won. Let's see. This one's bloody. I don't know why I just clicked on it. Yeah. I'll play this guy. I don't know. You guys, this is your videos. See, this is just for you guys. I thought I've been watching YouTube now for 5 years, you see, and I just felt like, you like that? You like that, baby? Do you like my head? Do you like my head? That's what I thought. This is, these are, if you guys play this game and you upload maps, be sure to tell me and I will play them. I will play them. Just give me the link and I will do it. You know what this is. What bullcrap is this? It's not a logo. Oh yeah, have you guys heard of the hurricane that's going through New York right now? I wonder how it's gonna how good that place is gonna go. I'm not sure. I don't live there. I actually live in Holy crap! Is there a finish? Is there a finish? No, that was crap. Okay, just so we don't get bad ones, I go to rating. See how long this video is. Okay, 5 minutes left. Let's go jet race. This looks fun. Oh, I've done this map before, but since you guys haven't seen it, yeah, I'll do it. Oh, don't bring me up, don't bring me up, don't bring me up. Yeah, going down, going down. No! Don't take, don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't freaking do it. Up, but thing. Take me up. Ah, you suck. This level is pretty fun. If you guys were wondering who I said that to, it wasn't you guys at all. It was the little jet thingies. Brace for impact. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my. Goodness, goodness. Up. I can't rate 6. Sorry. Fell through there and I can't rate 6. Crater 200. Green fall down. Oh no. Oh. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh crap. Oh. Oh no, those are homing ones. Happy mine. What's this? Oh, yeah. I've done this one, I think. Yeah, I've still done this one. Oh. Oh, that's not a good one. No, I don't want to go into the spikes. Oh, watch out, miner. It's Minecraft all over again. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yay. I feel like I'm at Disneyland again. Oh, no. I think we're leaving the park, honey. Prototype 3. It's like another Terminator thing. Yeah, I guess it's like a Terminator. Yeah. Yeah. This is like a Terminator thing, I guess. Have fun. Oh, hey, are you having fun up there? So how my channel is gonna work, the more subscribers I get, longer videos you guys get. Holy crap. Go down, go. Bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum. Oh, that was pretty cool, I guess. Looks like our time is up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below and what you're thinking. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.